Hello everyone. Very good evening. Welcome to Ecoholics, the largest platform of economics. I am Nidhi Sharma, your faculty of economics, and I welcome you all to our today's live stream, day 3 of macroeconomics PYQ's discussion. And the topic for today's discussion is going to be consumption function. Yes, the very important topic, consumption function, is something that we are going to discuss today. So everyone please join in quick so that we can start the live as soon as possible. We are ready to discuss many questions today, and this class is going to be a really helpful one for all of you, those who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, the aspirants of NTA UGC NET examination. Please join in so that we can solve the questions together. And as the rule says, you have to answer me in the chat box. Write the question number, then write the answer that you feel should be correct. Hello everyone, once again. Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Ecoholics, the largest platform of economics. Good evening, Mona Lisa. Welcome to the live stream. Okay, so should I present the first question on your screen? Here we go. Good evening, Sahil. The concept of excess sensitivity and excess smoothness are explained by the following statements. Excess sensitivity refers to a situation where consumption over-responds to temporary income shocks. Excess smoothness refers to a situation where consumption responds to temporary income shocks. Excess sensitivity anticipated rise in income is associated with relatively small change in consumption. With excess smoothness, changes in aggregate income are associated with relatively large changes in aggregate consumption. Excess sensitivity and excess smoothness are related to the empirical evidence of the permanent income hypothesis. Now you have to tell me which one is the correct option. So I'm just looking at the screen so that I can record your answers, the reply that you all are sending to me. Okay, please answer this question in the chat box. Tell me what should be the answer of this question. If you face any problem in the audio, video, if there will be any kind of lag, if there will be any kind of network issues, do let me know. I'll try to troubleshoot the problem. Okay? If you face any network issues on my side, do let me know. I'll troubleshoot the problem. But I am having a strong network connection as of now. Okay. So the concept of excess sensitivity and excess smoothness is something that is excess sensitivity refers to a situation where consumption over responds to temporary income shock. The name itself tells us excess sensitivity. Definitely the consumption is going to over respond to the temporary income shock. So A is absolutely correct. Okay, you have A in all the options. A, B and C and D. Everywhere you have A. Fine. Excess smoothness refers to the situation where consumption responds to temporary income shock. Definitely correct. So B is also everywhere. So obviously A and B will be correct. But along with A and B, what will be the another correct option? Excess sensitivity, anticipated rise in income is associated with relatively small change in consumption. No. Excess sensitivity and excess smoothness are related to the empirical evidence of the permanent income hypothesis. This is the correct one because in the permanent income hypothesis, we use this concept of excess sensitivity and excess smoothness, which we have already discussed in our classes. Okay, so D will be the right answer of this question. Thank you so much, everyone, for your. Adarsh has given me the correct answer. D is correct. Very good, Adarsh. Well done. Okay. Question number 2. You have to match the following. Match list 1 with list 2. Absolute income hypothesis, relative income hypothesis. Now, this is a very easy question and the most repeated question as well. So, I want a correct answer from all of you. Each one of you must be giving me the correct answer. Absolute income hypothesis, J.M. Keynes. Correct. Relative income hypothesis, James Dusenberry. Correct. Permanent income hypothesis, Milton Friedman. Life cycle hypothesis, Franco Modigliani. So B is the right option. Very nice. All of you have given me the right answer. Runilata, Adarsh, Yaishna, Nikhil, Khushi, Aman. Very nice. Okay, again another question from Match the Following format. Tell me, what will be the correct answer of this question? Money supply and price level in an economy are in direct proportion. Inverse relationship between unemployment and rate of wage inflation, a very famous one. Profit as a reward for innovation and policy ineffective proposition. Okay, just by matching option C, you can land up to the right answer. Even by matching option B, you can land up to the right answer. So I want the correct answer from all of you. Please mention the question number as well. If you are answering for question number 3, mention 3 as well. 3 and then whatever is the correct option, A, B, C or D. Yeah, it's very simple. And these are your PYQs. So these simple questions, the questions that you are telling very simple, these were asked in your PYQs, in your examination. Okay, so most of you have given me the right answer, so it's option D. Okay, moving on to the next question. Absolute income hypothesis explains what? Consumer behavior, producer behavior, inflation, or government expenditure? What does absolute income hypothesis explain to us? Question number 4. Okay, I've started getting the correct answers. Okay. Absolute income hypothesis, it's consumer behavior is the correct one. Very good. Very good. I think this is a repeated question. Let's skip this question. Question number 6. Question number 5 was a repeated one, so we have moved on to the sixth one. As income falls, consumption declines, but proportionately less than the decrease in income because the consumer desires to sustain previous standard of living. This is called what? Which effect has been mentioned here? Which effect has been mentioned here? Question number 6. Please answer question number 6. As income falls, consumption declines, but proportionately less than the decrease in income. Because the consumer desires to sustain previous standard of living. This is called as the ratchet effect. Very good, very good. Yaishna, very good. Ratchet effect is the correct answer. On which of the following do Keynesians and monetarists agree? You have to say, in which of the following do Keynesians and monetarists agree? When there is recessionary gap, flexible wages will retrieve the labor market to equilibrium quickly. The most important cause of demand shock is change in supply. Output deviates a time from the potential output because of demand shock, or the demand for money is interest elastic. Question number 7. Keynesians and monetarists, they both of them agree. No. The demand for money is interest elastic is the correct answer for this question. Montrist and Keynesians, both of them agreed to this. Very good. Many students have told me D. Very good. Correct. The statement too much of money chasing too few goods is based on which of the following theoretical concepts? This is a very, very famous statement of economics. Tell me. Is it real balance effect? Is it inventory theoretic approach to the demand for money? Is it quantity theory of prices or the quantity theory of money? Too much money chasing too few goods. It is based upon the which theoretical concept? It will actually belong to the quantity theory of money. Quantity theory of money is the correct answer for this question. Okay, the next question. Which among the following is or are the correct for the Keynesian model? Which one of the following is or are correct for the Keynesian model? It is supply determined, it ignores the money market, it assumes full employment of resources, or none of the above. Okay. Please answer, everyone. Very good, very good, very good. Option D is the correct answer, none of the above. It is not supply determined, it is demand determined. Okay. Classical dichotomy refers to which of the following? Classical dichotomy refers to which of the following? There are two sectors in the economy, namely agriculture and industry. Influence of money is not on the real variables like employment and output, but on the price level. Savings come only from profits and not from wages. Tell me the meaning of classical dichotomy. Very good. Adarsh, you have given me the correct answer. It is option B. Influence of money is not on the real variables like employment and output, but on the price level as well. So, we also study money as a whale concept. So, all these things are related. Okay, we have studied money as a whale in the class as well. Okay, labor becomes ready to work overtime. Assertion and reason is industry pays its employees efficient wages. Tell me, what will be the answer? Tell me. Okay. Yaishna, very good. It's option B. Both A and B are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Consider the following statement regarding the consumption function fitted by Simon Kuznets to US economic data for the period 1869 to 1929. There appeared no constant terms in the linear consumption function so fitted. The APC and MPC were not significantly different. You have to answer this question with respect to Simon Kuznets. Okay, for this question, both the statements are true. There appear no constant terms in the linear consumption function so fitted. That was the finding of Kuznets. And APC and MPC were not significantly different. Okay, so here are some of the important course features that we offer at Ecoholics for NTA UGC NET Economics Paper 2 examination. We do provide interactive live classes for Paper 2 with recorded access for Paper 2. 5 days a week you will have class so that you all get ample time for revision and self-study as well. You also get live doubt solving and PYQ discussion classes along with subject-wise revisory PDFs, personalized mentoring with the educator, a subject expert, weekly test of paper 2 with answer keys, practice question, full length mock test, and many other things you get in our UGC NET Economics Paper 2 course. So, if you are interested, if you are preparing for the upcoming UGC NET examination, then do not forget to contact us. Our contact details are provided in the description box, it is provided in the comment section. You can visit our website, you can visit our app, so you can just contact us if you are interested, and if you are preparing, if you are a serious aspirant of the upcoming UGC NET examination, if you want to clear your exam, you can definitely contact us. Okay, and we have flexible validity options as well, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. As per your need, you can take our courses. Okay, this can really be helpful for you if you are preparing for the exam. So do check out, the details are mentioned in the description box. Okay, the next question. Which among the following theory or approach does not treat consumption to depend upon expected income? Is it Keynes's approach, Friedman's approach, life cycle approach, or both Friedman and life cycles approach? Does not treat consumption to depend upon expected income. A very simple question. If you have studied the consumption hypothesis in detail, if you have understood each and every model very well, then you will be able to answer this question correctly. Tell me the answer of question number 13. Okay, I have started getting answers from all of you. Okay. So the correct answer is Keynes's approach, because it is based upon the absolute income, does not depend upon the expected income. But while the Friedman's approach and life cycles approach is actually based upon the consumption is treated to depend upon expected income. Okay. Which of the following is not an assumption of permanent income hypothesis? Tell me. Transitory income can be both positive and negative. Transitory income depends upon human and non-human health. Transitory consumption can be both positive and negative. Average propensity to consume is greater than the marginal propensity to consume. Okay, not an assumption. There is a very serious problem among the aspirants of UGC NET. They just miss out this word not. In many questions, they often say that, ma'am, we could not see the not. We just forgot that it's not an assumption. So, you all please be very, very careful in looking at this not very carefully, because if you overlook it, then you can make a mistake. 14. Okay, so B is the correct answer to this question. Okay. Core inflation has been described as core inflation, a very easy one. Okay, very good. Core inflation is something which includes headline inflation minus food inflation plus fuel inflation. So option B is your correct answer. And by this we are done with all the 15 questions of the consumption function that was our target for today. And tomorrow again similarly we will have a class on the same timing where we'll be discussing the macroeconomics question of some other unit. So do join with us at 7:15 on Ecoholics YouTube channel. And if you are new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we come live. And you can definitely check out our courses as well. You can contact us for your information and queries. Feel free to reach us. And also, if you have any question, you can just ask me the questions. Otherwise, we'll be just ending the session very soon. Okay, so let's end the session. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending today's class. Do join us tomorrow as well. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.